crazy. Yeah. Hi, I just woke up and immediately wanted to record this video for you. I've been in crypto for a long time, but I knew to blog in. My English isn't that good, but I'll still explain everything clearly. Oh, now I listen my music and this perfect. Okay, seriously. There are different ways to earn free cryptocurrency. One of them is Martingale strategy. Martingale is one of the simplest and most well-known strategy in trading. After each loss, you double your position, hoping to win back all your losses with one successful trade. In trading, this approach is also called a ladder. The advantage of Martingale is the potential to quickly recover losses in the market turns in your favor. But there is a serious downside. The position size increases very quickly, and if the market keeps moving against you can lose your entire deposit. Yeah, so despite its simplicity, Martingale carries a very high risk of losing all your funds. I'm actually playing it right now and making money for today. Yeah, I got tennis today. Yeah, I am meeting with my friends today. Yeah, it's a lot of money. So, and right now, lying in my bed. Yeah, I'm about to make my $400. It's very easy in bot mine tone. It's very easy. Watch till the end to see how. Okay. So I love crypto. I really love crypto. Yes, and right now I'm making money in my tone. It's a super simple bot. I show everything on the screen, all the setting. I just find it's really interesting. Yeah, and I'm literally lying in bed right now, trading to make $400 today. Yeah, it's crazy. So it's crazy. Because I have tennis today, I am meeting my friends. We are going to a restaurant. It's a lot of money, and I need to cover this expense somehow because I don't have that much free money right now. On the screen I shoot everything so it's clear and easy for you to follow. In general, it's really simple. The bots give your signal where crystal are. It's very easy. It's very easy. Yeah, I like my leg. Okay. So where's greaser are there no bombs? Yeah. So basically, I double my money because the bot showed me where to click. Okay, I'm just lying in bed, a bit nervous, but feeling good. Watch till the end if you also want to make money like this. Lying in bed, enjoy life, playing tennis. Yeah, it's mainly like this. I already topped up my wallet in the bot. You can rewind and see how I did it. Okay, yeah, I did my bet. $200. Okay, now I just want to play. Let's see if your signal is correct and if there are really no bomb there. The game is super simple. I'm honestly surprised that more people don't know about it. I found out about it by accident when I moved to the USA. A friend told me I wouldn't have believed it before. Now I've played like 50 plus games already. Sometimes I lost, then the bot legit, but overall it works really well. Yeah, yeah, it's worth it. Yes, it's worth it. It's my money. Uh, it's my money, and now, and now it should work. Yes, it worked. I just made, I just made $400. $400. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's really crazy. Okay. Okay, I'm nervous. Really, this will cover all my expenses for today. Yeah. Now I'm going to withdraw the money. Yeah. uh, because it's my money. Honestly, this is amazing. Yeah. This is amazing. It's my money. Okay. Okay, this is my wallet, and I show you. Okay, I show you. Yeah. Okay. uh, and oh, it worked. It worked. It worked. It's my money. Yeah. I did. I did $400. Now it's my money. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Really, guys, I'm happy. Oh, I love my tones. I love this bot. I love my easy life. So it's crazy. I like this. I like this. Enjoy. Yeah, crazy. I like. Yeah.